Dow Jones has seen a good bounce back last week where it has in fact breached past 35,000 levels. Last week in our analysis we have discussed why it has achieved 20 period moving average and why there is a possibility for it to bounce back by just looking at the candles and the diminishing body size. I hope you all profited there. So now what to expect from US30 next week, and specifically in the month of September we are going to look into a holistic view with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the summary and observation as well as the critical trading levels you should watch out for. So do watch till the end, do like, share, subscribe and comment, do press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. The second update, the twice a day update, first update is with Asia and Europe session and next is the US session. Do watch both, definitely it will add meaning to your day trading decisions. Also, you can be part of my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. With that, let's start. I will come back to indicators later. First, let's have a look with the help of charts alone. Now see, these are the weekly charts. We can find US30 is still trading in this bullish channel, and see, this has come after a good breakout here. So this is a bullish channel in which it is trying to stay. It has hit the bottom and precisely reverse from the same levels. Now this is important here. Also, second thing is body size was diminished here and it has shown a flat opening, with that a good rise is seen. Now second observation here is lower highs, lower lows. So this is something which you should watch out for. On the upside, we are going to look forward to 35,300 levels as a great resistance. Only and only if US30 is trades above 35,300, we can expect that the double top levels around 35,700 and beyond that more bullishness is going to prevail. Remember one thing, that after a couple of strong bearish candles, this was the first greener candle, possibly this could still continue with the bullishness here, achieve the top at around 35,300 levels in the coming week. But this is still not be treated as bullish completely. It is still to be treated as retracement as long as 35,500 levels are respected. In fact, double top is what you should also look at. If it can achieve double top and then from there a drop might begin. See, drop there, retracement to the double top levels, and from there again it can continue to. Also, if you look at the top of this channel is now somewhere here at about above 36,000 levels, and these are the also all-time high levels for US30. Let's watch more. Now look at the daily chart. See resistance here. With that is resistance, sharp drop. See, this was the first support level at 36,600. Next support level is now created at 34,500. And remember, this is a complete zone. I have discussed this several times that this is the box in which we have to remain watchful, cautious, alert. It has to break below this box in order to confirm the bearish reversal that is below 33,500, 600 levels. So right now what has happened? It has achieved the highs, then this retracement and again trying to continue. However, if you look closely, you will find it is still in this bearish channel. We have to definitely observe more how it behaves. First at around 35,200, 300 and then 35,500 levels. Very strong resistance is existent here. At the same time, if you look at this higher lows, higher highs, so right now US30 is still trying to move in this bullish zone, because see, if this would have breached and if US30 would have breached 33,600, that is the point below which definitely a crash would have been expected, where we can see it hitting 32,000 and in fact 30,000 levels. Now this is on the daily charts. Now let's have a look at the monthly. On the monthly charts, was very important observation is the higher lows which we have seen in the preceding month and the double top levels. Thus these levels are very critical now for US30, because double top is done, the possibility for it to achieve lower highs means 35,500 levels at max, and from there also it can reverse strongly on the downside from the middle of the month onwards, and it can try to continue its journey towards 34,000 levels. And hence we have got three levels here. First we should look forward to 35,300, then 35,600, and beyond that more bullishness may prevail if it breaks past this double top levels here. Second observation, yes, in fact, even if it tries to rise next week, it can possibly reverse from the next week onwards and turning the candle red towards the end of the month, taking it till towards 34,200, 34,000 level. This is very probable that it might reverse towards the end of the month and we might see a closer in red. Hence, a rise is an opportunity to sell as long as it stays below 35,700. Remember the fact, as long as US30 stays below 35,700, the rise is an opportunity to sell. That is my expectation. But let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggestive of? Now look at the monthly chart. See, it has taken the support here from the 20 period moving average, and since then we have seen good bullish candles. Now see, prices are too much divergent from the 20 period moving average, and you can note here what has happened here. That when the prices stayed divergent from the moving average, it has always tried to converge. Now if it reverses from here, this suggests that definitely there is a weakness, there is a bearishness, else it could still show the swings, form a double top and then break. Very much probable, but possibly not this month. And this month we could still expect it to yield a red candle, taking it towards lower side around 33 600 500 levels if it continues its downward journey from here. Now see, monthly stochastic was overbought. A red candle has pulled it little down. The MACD is more important here. MACD just crossed over, traded with very little divergence. You can see this crossover has happened after a long time. Also, you can see it has formed a bottom at around same levels for in last 15 years. Almost thrice we have seen this bottom. So yes, it has achieved the bottom, and then higher highs are always seen. So even if it tries to cross over, even if it tries to show a red or a swing candle in the month of September, which is most likely is going to be a swing candle, and thus do not treat this as bearish. In fact, this month stock RSI is almost flat here on the monthly charts. Now let's have a look at the week. Likewise on the weekly chart, see, moving averages are trading with divergence. These are staying bullish, taking the support from the 20 period moving average. We have seen this first greener candle. It can yield another green candle here, which could take the prices further up. Hence, if you see it is staying above 34,900, 35,000 levels, certainly more bullish momentum is going to take it till towards 35,300 levels, and then more bullishness towards 35,500, 700 zone. Now, if you look at a stochastic, this has dropped significantly. The MACD was very important. It was trading with divergence. It has converged here, but it has not yet crossed over. Now, see, still US30 has lot much of scope on the upside. See, it is trading at a comfortable zone on the MACD. This was the bull run. It can stretch, it can diverge again. If this candle is going to remain in green, certainly the bullish momentum might continue for a while. RSI comfortable, neither overbought nor oversold. Coming to the daily chart, likewise on the daily chart, the moving averages converge here. It has not yet crossed over. It is still staying bullish. The support levels are here very strong at 34,700 level. Now remember, we discussed several times 34,700, 600 are the two levels below which you can expect it to land for the next support levels at around 34,350, 200 levels, and below which it is going to stay bearish and possibly might try to achieve 33,800 levels in this month itself, which is going to be a key support levels on the downside. Daily stochastic was overbought. It has cooled a bit. Now look at MACD. This has just crossed over, traded with little divergence, and it has still got lot much of room for it to continue with the rise on the upside. Remember, this crossover has happened after a long time. US30 stayed bearish here, and this probably might continue for a little while from here. RSI here is almost flat. So now we've seen the charts, we've seen the indicators here. We know that there could be little bullishness in the next week. Also look at the candles here. See, daily charts, it is almost formed a double bottom, taking the support from the 20 period moving average, sitting at a 34,700 levels. Very stronger support, lower highs, but then this candle the next week might open in green. It can continue, resume its journey on the upside, achieve the top here at around 35 400 300 zone, and then beyond that more bullish momentum might continue. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for such that you can trade profitably, trade with confidence. But before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start next week. Register yourself from itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. We are trading as per the signals. You can definitely benefit. I will still recommend you to invest in learning where, because see, learning is a lifetime investment through which you can reap profits throughout your life, and this profit is only going to increase and as and how you accumulate the knowledge here. So join the mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. With that, let's look at the levels to buy. Now, first on the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 34,840 levels itself. Beyond this, we can look forward to 34,950, 35,000 35 levels. Now this is going to be a very good resistance zone for US30 on the upside. If it stays above 34035, we can this time expect that it might try to hit 35 180 and 35 350 levels. Beyond this, see 35 350 and 400, let me include both. This is going to be a very good resistance, and beyond this zone it is going to hit 35 600 directly, 600 700, the next strongest resistance zone. Beyond this, sky is the limit for 36,000 plus levels, and it can try to hit double top levels. I do not see that happening this month at least. Probably after a couple of months it could. However, right now it is still trying to trade with a slight bearish bias unless and until the highs are broken. Now on the sell side, I will recommend here to sell at 34,760 levels, 34,700 first, and very good support here. And if it stays below this, you can still expect 34,600 as the first support levels, and then 34,410 as the next support levels. Below this is where the bears will try to take over, and in the month of September itself we might see it again hitting below 34,000 levels. Now remember, 33,800 to 34,000, this is going to be a tough resistance for US30. I do not see it breaking below these levels in the month of September. So you have to trade with cautions. Whenever you see trading within the zone, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.